Let's discuss Azure Firewall in this video. Azure Firewall is a managed cloud-based network security service designed to protect Azure virtual network resources with robust features and the flexibility to scale according to your needs. It provides centralized control and management over both inbound and outbound network traffic with a range of security capabilities which makes it ideal for secure cloud operations. Let's unpack some of the key features offered by Azure Firewall. Azure Firewall is inherently fault tolerant with high availability integrated directly. This means it can handle disruptions without requiring extra load balancers or configurations. The service can automatically scale up or down as your network demands change and ensure that peak traffic levels are supported without the need to pre-plan capacity. Firewall can control outbound HTTPS and Azure SQL traffic by specifying a list of fully qualified domain names. This enables secure, controlled communication with specified domains without needing TLS termination. You can define centralized rules to allow or deny traffic based on IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Being fully stateful, Azure Firewall can track active connections and distinguish legitimate traffic from unauthorized attempts. You can easily configure access for common Azure services like Windows Update by using FQDN tags and streamline network traffic rules. Service tags represent groups of IP addresses for popular Azure services, and it is maintained by Microsoft to minimize the complexity of configuring rules. Service tags are automatically updated to include relevant IP changes, so you don't need to manage these addresses manually. Threat intelligence is enabled through Microsoft Threat Intelligence Feed. This feature alerts you to and block traffic from known malicious IP addresses and domains. This provides an added layer of protection against potentially harmful traffic. Azure Firewall can encrypt, inspect, and re-encrypt outbound traffic, which allow thorough security analysis while maintaining secure communication. Source network address translation ensures that all outbound virtual network traffic has Azure Firewall's public IP address, which makes it easy to monitor and manage all outbound connections. Destination network address translation allows inbound internet traffic to reach private IP addresses within your virtual network by translating the public firewall IP to the appropriate internal destination. Web categories allow or restrict access to certain types of website such as gambling or social media based on predefined categories. In Azure Firewall Premium, this feature is more advanced and allow URL-based filtering for both HTTP and HTTPS traffic. All events are logged and can be sent to Azure Monitor for detailed analysis. You can archive these logs, stream them to event hubs, or analyze them with Azure Monitor logs, which will help with compliance and in-depth security reviews. Using force tunneling option, you can direct all outbound internet traffic through a designated next hub, such as an on-premise firewall or another network appliance, which gives you control over how traffic flows between Azure and the internet. Azure Firewall meets major compliance standards, including PCI, SOC, ISO, etc., which makes it a trusted choice for security in regulated industries. To recap, Azure Firewall is ideal for securing Azure network traffic at scale, giving you centralized control over traffic flows while uploading the burden of managing infrastructure level details like high availability and load balancing. Whether handling regular web traffic, restricting access to specific applications, or meeting regulatory requirements, Azure Firewall provides the flexibility and control needed for comprehensive network security in the cloud.